Joey here. Today I have a very special content for you guys where I try my all-season wardrobe, every single outfit, minus bikini and some underwear and socks and things like that. So you get to see all the different outfits that I can actually put together despite of owning so little. And I will actually include a video clip of all the items that I own that I have put on the floor so you guys can see how little that I actually have. You will see me enjoying myself. You will see parts of my body maybe. Let's just accept it as is, you guys. I think as a society, we sometimes forget that it is okay to not objectify somebody. I think like as women and men, sometimes men, I think it's a myth that only women are threatened by like other women's beauty or like other women enjoying themselves. I think also men, like sometimes like they will feel threatened by their girlfriends or their wives looking too beautiful or something like that. So they'll be like, oh, you need to be humble, which is kind of a loser thing to do. I'm not saying all people do it, but some people think in that way, and I feel like it's like a collective fault in a way. So I'm just telling you right now, let's normalize watching people's body and like their outfits and them enjoying themselves without feeling the need to put them down and without feeling the need to put your spit or your G-juice whatever on it. I have many cute outfits and I can't wait to show you guys what I have. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's go. First, we will start with my loungewear, I guess you could say. Sometimes I tuck it in. Yes, you can see my legs. Let's not get horny now. It's just body. And then this is my new coat that I freaking love. I actually had to get a new coat because my old coat, the zippers broke. And then it was actually like a lot colder than I expected this winter. So yeah, I got myself a nice little goose down jacket. Anyways, this is my usual outfit whenever I'll go to a convenience store that's in front of my house. Bye-bye. Just kidding. Anyway, oh, and there's my yoga pants. Yay, look at me kicking. And you can see my dinner right there. Yeah, and then this would be like an outfit that I'll wear during summer or like spring. That jacket is actually pretty light, so it's like my summer blazer, I guess you could say. Yeah. And then soon you can there's my Joker dance or whatever, and then these are the shorts, my running shorts that I haven't worn in a while because it's freaking cold nowadays. And now yeah, you can also see a form-fitting blazer that I have. Yeah, look at the hip movement. This outfit makes me feel so sexy, so powerful, but like I guess in a little bit more androgynous way. But yeah, I love this outfit. It goes really well with my Gucci bag, which is like, I mean, it kind of goes with everything because it's got that neutral color and then like the black strap. Anyway, so my Gucci bag and any kind of fancy outfit goes well with these shoes that I have. You can see I just noticed I haven't removed the stickers on the bottom of the shoes. But anyway, I've had these shoes for a while and I think they're adorable. They're very fancy. Yeah, and then these are like my summer spring pants. They're kind of dressy pants, which goes really well with my sapphire jacket. I love this like crop jacket because it's, you know, I'm pretty short. I'm not that tall, so like a top like this, whoops, that's like a little bit shorter on top makes me feel like my legs are longer and then my waist isn't too long or anything like that. It's just very flattering. And you can see I'm getting in the groove. I don't remember what song I was singing. I think it was like Doja Cat, or I'm not sure. Yeah, but you can see my power posture and things like that. I was feeling really powerful today, obviously. And this outfit goes well with Gucci bag and also my backpack. Depends on how fancy or casual I want to be. I love, love, love this jacket. It was totally worth the investment. And this is my poofy shoulders romantic shirt. Yeah, I would wear this like in the summer when the weather's not too hot. And then those pants, yeah, look at the straps. They're so comfy. They don't look too flattering in the video, I feel like, but whoops, I'm falling. But it's very flattering during summer. And this shirt, man, details on this shirt. I love this shirt. It was a little bit pricey, but you know, it's like, you could say it's one of my favorite summer shirts. And pretty much my only fancy summer shirt that I have right now, which goes well with these metallic, like greenish, silverish shoes, definitely. I love pointy shoes. Makes me feel so like, you know, I don't know, fancy and like, you know, powerful and also like, I don't know, businessy. I love it. I love it. Oh, the shoes not in the shot, but yeah, I did that posture for the shoe shot. But anyway, here's my Balmain sunglasses, which I love. Let me take off my mustache sweat. And you can see me rocking these sunglasses. I absolutely love them. They're a little bit heavy and sometimes they're too dark, so I would only wear it during summer when the sun's like really, really, really bad. But yeah, sometimes I'll wear it like on top of my hair, which is a very cute look. I love that. That looks good on me. Not many hats look good on me, but sunglasses on my head always look good on me. There's me doing a lot of the cute things that everybody want to do and getting in the group with my sunglasses. I wear my sunglasses at night, which consequently it is the nighttime in Korea. Yeah, so you can see me rocking those shades for the summer. And these are my golf pants and my lovely, lovely, lovely velvety shirt. The texture. Yeah, so sensuous. Please don't DM me or whatever. Anyway, so these are my golf shorts, and I did wear these during my one summer of golf lessons. Ooh, yeah, and they show off my hidden abs and whatnot. Yeah, and like I would wear sneakers. I guess it's a good timing to show my sneakers because that's what I would wear if I was playing golf. And you want to check out my posture? I'm not a good golfer, but I did take some lessons. I don't know. What do you think? Not very good at it. It's not really my sports of choice, I guess you could say, because I'm not very good at it. But look, whoa. They're my winter boots that I wear these a lot. They seem casual, but they also go with like dressy outfits as well. So I love them. Oops, I think I fell to the side. And this shirt, man, this dress shirt is actually quite thick, so it's perfect for winter. Gave you a little wink. Yeah, and I love how like androgynous and like a little bit masculine it looks, but I guess I could style it like as more feminine with the ribbon. But usually I just leave it like a tie, so I don't really tie it in a ribbon. And sometimes if I need to dress up, I will obviously tuck it in my crotch, and I will, I love that little tie detail. It's like one of my favorite things about this shirt. Obviously, it looks super cute with my bag, of course. And whenever I need to be a little bit more dressy, I would wear this thick trench coat. It's actually quite form-fitting, and it makes me feel like I'm a queen, like a snowy or rainy day, leaning against the wall, whatever. Yeah, makes me feel so elegant. I love this outfit. Absolutely, this jacket is awesome. You can see my shape, whatever little shape I have. Yeah, I love that jacket. And whew, it was getting too hot in here. Yeah, trying on clothes is hard. This is another shirt with different detail. It's a little bit thinner than the other one with the tie detail, but I love, love, love this outfit. You're about to see one of my favorite outfits with this, my current favorite jacket as far as professional looks go. Yeah, this is also pretty short on the crop top. It's got those really, really nice buttons. I just love the length of this jacket. And yeah, let me show you guys my buttons in detail. Yeah, it's really cute, like the whole pants. And those dress pants are actually really warm for the winter, and obviously goes well with my bling bling shoes. And this is my corduroy pants. It's like my casual pants. Sometimes I will wear this over like my other outfit. Oh, and there's my pink dress. These are some of my dressy dresses you'll see. I was totally feeling my feminine goddess side with these outfit try-ons. And yeah, this is like my French maid looking outfit, I guess, which is the least worn one. And I love this power dress. Man, this is like one of my favorites, definitely. And I'm definitely feeling this feminine yet powerful feel of it. I'm not even at my best shape right now. Like, I haven't even like worked out properly in like a while. But yeah, I mean, it's like we cannot always be super, super fit, but we can always love ourselves, and knowing that we will take care of ourselves, continue to do it, in the future. So yeah, I love this outfit. I wore it to my interview as well. Yeah, it's amazing. I love this outfit. And last but not the least, my favorite outfit nowadays, pockets. Yeah. Simplify. Hi guys, so that was my all-season wardrobe tour. I hope you guys loved it. If you liked it, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye!